You are going to love
The 2026 Elantra. The Elantra boasts the most interior room in its class and gets an exceptional 35 miles per gallon. With its luxurious standard features, the Elantra is an easy choice. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, rear window defroster, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, front-wheel independent suspension, traction control, brake assist, electronic stability control. Rediscover the joy of driving and turn everyday commutes into memorable journeys.